YouTube. This is Scott Norton with Black Rifle Training Group. Got a training segment we want to share with you today based on not only a need that every pistol shooter and rifle shooter needs to have, but it also affects our ability to train, how often we train, and that's just the shortage of ammunition. So this little drill that we're going to show you today, it will give you maximum number of reps while not hurting the pocketbook as far as ammunition. Let's shoot. This is called our transition drill. And the way you set up the transition drill, if you're going to be utilizing a pistol, you want one pistol mag fully loaded, and then you want one pistol mag with just one round in it. Now how we start it, we're going to charge our pistol. So we've got one round in the chamber, but we also have an empty mag. And what this is going to cause is once I fire this one round, the slide's going to lock forward and force me to do what's called an emergency reload. And this is how it works. Now, we currently have one round that's already charged in the pistol itself. So to reset this drill, all you have to do is reholster, retrieve your empty mag, place it back in the pistol, and then your full mag into your magazine holder. Depending on what type of pistol and the capacity of your pistol, you'll be able to run this drill at least 7 times. And now you're set up and ready to go again. Now let's show you what it looks like with a rifle. So with your AR platform, I have one round. Charge the rifle, so now that it's empty. As a result, when I do my up drill and engage the target, my bolt's going to lock in the rear. It's going to force me to make another reload. This is how it looks. All right, so now keep it in mind, putting your rifle on safe. My rifle is charged. I replace my full mag in my belt, my empty bag back in the rifle, and ready to do it again. Thanks for watching today. This is Scott Norton with Black Rifle Training.